your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome to the start of Slimming Well week 4. Sorry I didn't film yesterday, which should have been the beginning of the week, but I didn't film yesterday. So yesterday I did really well. I've been kind of having carrots and hummus for dinner. Since I had a bit of an upset stomach last week, I decided to keep the meals light, and so I've been having fruit and yogurt, which is totally free, and carrots and hummus. It is shop bought hummus, so you have to be careful how many tablespoons you have. So I know it's Saturday today, so I did actually pop out this morning and I ended up in Iceland, so I picked up some of their meals because I'm going to have one for lunch. This is what I'm having. So we've got the Slimming World free food Korean style beef noodles, so that's what I'm having for lunch today. I'm absolutely starving. I also went to the co-op and I picked up a chicken because I think we're going to have a roast tomorrow, so I picked that up. I also picked up some tikka masala sauce because I thought that would go really nice with just chicken one night if you like stuck for something to make. I also got some of the roasted onion gravy, and sorry, I got 2 of those because I thought Sam might want one. And I also picked up some Yorkshire puddings, but obviously, let me get them out. Some Yorkshires, but I need to obviously see how many sins these are. Obviously I'm only going to have one, but I need to find out how many sins they are for one. I did get some gravy granules as well because I didn't realise that they had their own gravy in Iceland. And I picked up some mint sauce, which again I'm going to have to sin. If I have any of this, I'll have to sin it. So Coleman's mint. And we also picked up some hoisin sauce, which again would be really good on the top of some chicken, and then obviously a jar of favourite coffee, Nescafe Gold Blend. So tonight's dinner is going to be chicken tikka masala out of the Slimming World book, so I'll show you a picture of that as soon as it's ready later. So I just made the chicken tikka masala out of the Slimming World book for tea tonight. This is what we're having. It's completely sin free. That's the recipe there. They've obviously put a bit of veg with it, but here's ours. We obviously made some rice domes to make it look pretty, and here's our dinner. Yay! Hey, it's Sunday and we're having a Slimming Well breakfast, which looks like this, made by Sam. Ooh, yes, we have Linda McCartney sausages, 0 sins, egg 0, hash 2, bacon medallions none, and we've got this as our healthy option B with a little bit of anchor and spaghetti, which is also free, so really low sin. Yippee! Woo! Right, it's Sunday tea and I've just made a roast, so we're gonna look forward to it. It's completely sin free apart from the Yorkshire pudding, which I believe is 3.5, maybe 4. So yeah, so this is our dinner. We've got some roast potatoes, chicken, and we've got the Slimming Well gravy, which I bought from Iceland, and this is like carrots and turnips. We've got some parsnips, which I got in my big veg box from Morrison's, and the Yorkshire, which is the only thing that's simple. So I think I'm doing really well today. I think in total today, because I did have some ketchup on my breakfast this morning, I've had, so that was 2. Yeah, I've had 4 sins all day, so how brilliant is that? That means I could have some chocolate later. Hi guys, so it's Monday. Yeah, still doing really well. You can hear my breakfast. So yeah, I'm having Weetabix today. Yeah, so I thought I would have that. I'm going to put a bit of linseed on there, sort of help digestion. So this is what it looks like. I like to mix it up, to be honest. I like to stir it all together. So this is it. And I'm just going to add, and I'm only going to count this as one because I'm not going to put those on. I'm going to put a bit of linseed on there, which is very good. It's a good fibre, got high fibre content, so really good for the digestive system. So this is breakfast today. Hi guys, it is Wednesday. Sorry, I'm only just checking in. Did I check in yesterday? I can't remember. Anyway, I had Weetabix this morning, so yeah, healthy option B used and milk used up. I had 3 of the Baby Bell Lights, so I used that as another A. I had so a load of fruit today, which was free, and I had a soup at lunchtime, which was one of the really low fat ones. That was only 2 sins, and I had a tiny little bit of linseed this morning, and I had a Fibre One bar, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7 sins. 7. So tonight I got home late. Story of my life, obviously, and we didn't have anything for tea. I didn't make anything, so we got a Chinese, and I know you can get black bean. It's kind of naughty, I know, but I only ate half of it, so apparently the black bean is 7.5, and I always have boiled rice, and that's fine, it's free. So 7.5, half of that, we'll call it 4. So 4, but I did have a few chips with it as well. So I was way under my sins yesterday. I think I barely had 5 sins, so I had a handful of chips too. So I don't think it's going to be detrimental, but I've saved the other half of the Chinese for tomorrow, so it is only 4 sins, and there's no chips left, so yeah, it'll be 4 sins for tea tomorrow, so I've got to make sure I've got enough sins left to eat that tomorrow. That's it really. Just been quickly editing a new video, as you can see, and yeah, and getting everything prepared, because obviously we head off, it's Wednesday, and we head off to Barcelona on Friday. I haven't packed yet either, and yeah, I'm trying to film another part of the video as well. So anyway, yeah, I've been feeling good. My tummy feels okay. It's good. It's not been, it's a little bit bloated yesterday. I don't know if there's something setting it off. It feels fine right now. I ate quite a lot of food just that. Well, it wasn't a lot. It felt a lot. I think my stomach shrunk a little bit, to be honest, because I used to be able to eat the whole thing, and there would have been no way I would have been able to do that tonight. So I do think I'm feeling fuller quicker, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I felt quite full, but now it's kind of gone down a little bit. I feel okay. I'm not feeling bloated. Yesterday I felt a little bit bloated. I don't know why. I just felt a little bit bloated. Don't know. Felt a little bit achy in the tummy again. Don't know what's up with me. If it carries on, I'm going to have to go to the doctors. So yeah, so that's everything for today. So I will check in with you tomorrow, because tomorrow is Wednesday. Wayne Day's Thursday. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Wednesday and last day of work before we go to Barcelona, which is yay. So yeah, I've been quite good today. I've had about not even 15 sins, although we did have Chinese for tea, leftovers from last night, so that was only 4 sins and 3 for the rice. So I'm still under the sins, which is really, really good. I've still got a healthy option A left. This morning I had one of those bagel thins, which I thought was really nice. And I've only had fruit and that low soup again today. I've not been really good on the old veggies. I've not had enough veg, to be honest. Speed food I seem to be lacking. I've been very busy this week trying to get all my work done at work, and obviously trying to get everything done for my YouTube channel, get everything uploaded so that I've got things being uploaded at the weekends when I'm not here, and having things prepared. So I've had about 3 videos to edit, so that one's going up tonight, one's going to go up tomorrow, one's going to go up on Sunday. So I've been busy doing that, and obviously I'm trying to film this for when I come back. Obviously it's weigh-in tomorrow as well. I think I've done really well, and I'm still trying to finish filming my pack with me. So I've been kind of stressed this week, should I say. So I'll be glad when I get on that plane at 7 AM on Friday. I'm just going to relax, and hopefully I've got everything that I need. So yeah, so today's been good. As I say, finished work now, and yeah, so I'm hoping for big things tomorrow, so I will keep you informed tomorrow. Good morning everyone. Today is weigh-in day, so obviously this is my update. Slimming World. Haven't had breakfast yet. As you can see, I'm suffering from hay fever. Yeah, not a good morning. But anyway, yeah, I've not had breakfast. I think I'm going to have some Weetabix. Someone's joined me here. Hello, Smokey. So, oh, excuse me. I've got the worst hay fever this morning. I've just had a tablet. So I'm going to have Weetabix, I think, for dinner. sorry, for breakfast, because I'm not even thinking straight right now. Weetabix, and then I don't know what I'm having for lunch because it's weighing at 5:30, and I want to obviously, you see that too, obviously update on how well I've done. So I will catch you in a little while. Hi guys, I'm here at Mum's house because I'm going to Barcelona in the morning, but I wanted to give you the most amazing news from Slimming World because obviously it was weighing day today. So yeah, I actually lost 2.5 pounds. Yeah! That is brilliant. I'm so proud. I'm so glad that I did so well. So I'm going to go for my half stone next week, obviously, with us being in Barcelona this, well, from tomorrow, basically. I'm going to have to be really good. So, yeah, I'm going to have to make sensible choices. Otherwise, I'm not going to get my half stone next week. So, yeah, wish me luck. So, I will catch up with you next week. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!